Hi there, how are we all doing today? We've got the Parkside hammer drill here. 20 volts from Lidl. It doesn't come with a battery, but it comes with some other things as well. All the drill bits and some bits with positive drive and negative drive, and some a bit of grease, lube, and an extra head to power normal drills. So usually you get your 3-year warranty from Lidl. Well, it's not a problem. It says 90% recycled plastic. Impact to 0 to 5,000 revolutions. Oh no, it's 900 revolutions, and that's BPM. So I've used this to put my lights on, my Christmas lights, what you might see in another video. So let's dive in. So I have actually used this, but only one bit. So you've got your Parkside. I always like these boxes. You've got a couple of connectors here. So there we have it. We've got the drill. We've got 3 different size hammer drills and 3 different size just normal drills. We've got the different head here, so it just slots in like you do the drill bit. As you pull that, push that back, and then it slots in like that. So you've got the hammer down at the bottom, and then when you just want normal drilling, you press it all the way to the top. It's got a reverse, and then your 0 to 900 on it. Nice grip. All this black is like a textured, grippy. Why? So it is nice and firm. Easy to put impact drill in. This is one I've been using, if you can tell. But it's just so handy to have an impact drill. Just to go a couple of seconds, drill a hole, plug it, screwdriver, fix, perfect. What a good bit of machinery it is. And then top of the lid, you have different, you've got some Phillips, and then we've got some couple of torque keys here, as you can see. But we've only just got one flathead. Instruction manual at top in the case. Fantastic. So like I say, it comes with a nice bit of grease. We'll throw a battery in to show you how it works. If I can find one. So it runs off the 20 volt team pack. I've got a couple of different sizes and the fast charger for this. Works very well. I've got an indicator on. That's fully charged. But this is quite a big one. It's 4 amp hour, 80 watt hours. This one. So it just slots, connects, and that's it. So as you pull the trigger, well, as long as it's got, if it's going clockwise, it's going in, and then anti-clockwise out for your drill. And then same with your hammer, make sure you've got the right setting, or else you'll damage the end. I've put a little bit of video on the end. I'll show you my drilling. So that's it. We'll catch you later. So here we are. We've used this hammer drill to put the Christmas decorations up. It's just been so easy. It's reasonably lightweight, so straight in, and there we have it, easy peasy. Nice little light on the front as well, so you can see what you're doing. So it's so easy to put in. These drills came with it. Don't forget, it's just the easy impact drill system. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, put underneath below, and I'll see if I can answer them. Thanks for watching.